What do you do when you have to leave paradise tomorrow? Right, make it an epic last day. Well, technically these are the last 2 days, but I wanted to make them special, ending my Bali experience on a total high. On Thursday I got up at 5 AM to drive to my last waterfall experience. With the rising sun on our side, we got to Tibumana waterfall an hour later, which left Danny and me with an almost empty spot, perfect for creating content. Usually this waterfall is filled with tourists. This site felt really magical, not the biggest waterfall in Bali, but it looked almost too perfect to be real. It's also one of the most tropical ones I've seen, surrounded by so many beautiful plants. I couldn't stop smiling the whole time. Nature is just so impressive.
Good? Good?
For sure. The waterfall is close to Ubud, so we decided to cruise around a little, found the elephant temple, but we didn't go inside because it was just so touristy. But we got to wear sarong for a little, which was probably way too expensive. And there was also a man walking around with a big ass snake, and I got scared so badly. I jumped into a corner shaking, and I did not get that on camera, unfortunately.
Where?
The guy's carrying it.
Where?
On the left.
Nice.
It was only 7 AM when we passed the monkey forest and went straight after to Acai Queen. I really love their acai, and I can really recommend this place. Back in Canggu, I had about 5 minutes at home before I joined Violetta for lunch. Went for a really nice workout after that at Canggu Nest, and Violetta also commanded I had to go party since it was my last night, and I happily agreed. Before that I hit the beach for one last sunset. This is like a perfect day, you guys. I'm on such a high the whole time, and I was standing in the ocean. Gosh, I'm gonna miss this like terribly. And I met up with Axel, Mariana, Philip and Violetta for also my last dinner. We're trying to get ready. God, how I love this girl. She's so free and careless and really opened me up and brought out my crazies for sure. We got home at around 3. That meant no sleep for me. Last couple hours, you guys, I pretty much just woke up. I filmed a little bit for my Nusa Penida vlog that already dropped when you see this, so go check it out. I really don't wanna leave, but yesterday's been crazy. I've been up for 22 hours. Crazy, but the day was so good, so special. I enjoyed every little bit of it. This day I started with a bowl of porridge followed by my last workout at Canggu Nest.
Let me go this way, today is my day. God is taking place tonight. Let's all dance and make it shine. Let's all dance and make it shine.
Having to say goodbye felt so weird just because I felt so at home and so welcome at this place. Alright, thank you so much. Bye. Thank you. Hey guys. Bye. Guys, last training at the Nest. I don't want to go.
It didn't sound like you at all. You were like,
because I'm not me. Because I don't want to go back, and it's just
too sad.
I know. But the training was awesome. It was body weight training. It's like my favorite class here. My forearms were burning. That means I lost all of my muscle for like holding on. Yeah, from like holding on.
Oh really?
Like,
oh,
yeah,
wow.
yeah. Wow.
Pole is gonna be hard.
Well, silk is gonna be even harder.
Yeah.
But I already booked my trainings. Like Sunday, I'm gonna go to Poland on Monday to.
Something to look forward to.
Yeah, to silk, and then on Tuesday, I'm also gonna go to extreme stretching. So I have like all of my classes planned until I fly to Luxembourg. Yeah, I'm really sad to leave. We just said goodbye to the trainers, like, please. Okay, let's go to Axel's to the pool because I was a waterfall, just like sweating all over. And again, I really hate goodbyes. I know that we'll see each other again and we can still talk, but it just feels really empty in that moment.
Nom 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 nom.
It's tofu on top, right? Oh, so good. And also I had to go to the beach one last time.
Let's all dance and make it shine. I want to escape this crazy life. Yeah. Let me go this way, today is my day. God is taking place tonight. Let's all dance and make it shine. Let's all dance and make it shine.
Goodbye, ocean. I'll miss you and your beautiful sunsets. The time has come to say goodbye. I spent the 2 whole months with Violetta and I couldn't be more grateful for the universe bringing her into my life. She's such a giving and open person. She doesn't care what others think. She just does what she wants and is truly living the dream. She definitely inspired me and brought out my crazy, leaving me with a sad feeling of letting her go, but also a smile, since she showed me how not to give a damn about others' opinions and how good it feels to let go of doubts and just be yourself.
I'm gonna wait right here.
Okay, I'll take the plane and I'm gonna be here.
It's like 3 months later.
Like what? Alright. Thank you for that. I love you and I cannot wait for us to meet again and continue our crazy journey. No, thank you. Goodbye, Bali. You've been so good to me. I cry because I'm sad of leaving, but I also have happy tears, thinking of everything that I got to experience here. I'll bring so much love and motivation back with me. You cannot believe it. My heart is radiating, full of bliss and joy, and a little anxiety about the future for sure. But I'm happy where I am, with what I have become, and about all the lovely people I got to spend time with on this magical island. I wish I could hug you all one last time. Keep on shining, my Scorpio minds. There are more adventures to come.